All right, this is just a little documentation video of my booth at Traders World. It's a Sunday after 5 o'clock, so the show is actually closed. You know, this is the central aisle, which goes in four directions. That's down toward the entrance. This goes quite a ways. I don't know how many booths, there are hundreds of them. But this is, as people come down, they see this. This is my booth. Got the banners, the signage there. And I love the new banner, it's over there. So I'm just gonna do a little look around. This is the front table. So I've got the basic ones I love that are on the banner are the new KO2, the Elite version of it, the Elite version of the Precision Adjust, and then this, because of homemakers here, I have the Kitchen Sharpener 2 there. So, yeah, here's again the Elite, there's the regular KO2, there's the KTS2. Over here, we got the Elite on the Precision Adjust, the regular Precision Adjust, the rolling sharpener, and then a couple of little pocketable ones, like the GFS, excuse me, and some of the others. And then over here is my upcoming show schedule. I will be doing gun shows when there's a gun show that's nearby that's good. Anyway, that's the front, the side banner. I have a YouTube channel. The back banner, the back table. I might have people come in here and lay out some stuff in here. For now, it's just a work table. The right side wall includes the knife poster I got from, anyway, you know where they come from. So this is, there you go. There's my cellar side where I'm standing here, standing on that pad. And I don't sit back here much, but I got a chair in case I need it. There's a fan, and this is a great place to be calling home, I guess, but the big money's not at this show yet, but I'm going to stick through the holidays, through New Year's, and see how it goes. Okay, so this is kind of an experiment. I also sell fire starters that are made in USA. They're high quality. So there you go. Oh, and here's that box where I put the belts. You get this at any fishing supply. It fits perfectly with 6 different compartments there for the belts for the WS KTS and the KTS 2 KO. Okay, I love the new poster. That's right, from Blade HQ. Okay, so there you go. I wanted you to see it. And zooming down the aisle here, it goes way back. This place has been around for 40 years, but again, it's closed for the weekend. Okay, thank you. Bye.